What room has no door, floor, or windows? Answer B, mushroom. Question 3. What has a spine but no bones? Answer B, book. Question 4. What has roots but never grows? Answer B, mountain. Question 5. What has a face and 2 hands but no arms or legs? Answer A, clock. Question 6. What is always coming but never arrives? Answer C, future. Question 7. What has no beginning and no end? Answer C, a circle. Question 8. What gets wetter the more it dries? Answer A, a towel. Question 9. What has teeth but no mouth? Answer B, comb. Question 10. What has a heart but doesn't love? Answer C, card.